Hello everyone, Official Ma here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we talk about men's relationship, women's psychology, that is understanding the way a human's mind works, coming from a human's perspective, and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button down below, and with that being done, let's proceed to the video. In today's video, we are going to be speaking about how to make a girl obsessed with you. These tips I'm going to give you here is the way to make a girl obsessed with you, and she's going to think about it constantly every single time. And this trick doesn't work only for Nigerian girls because it's a psychological trick. The first psychological trick that I can use to make any girl obsessed with you is leave a good impression. Yeah, they said that first impression matters, and I think it's very, very true. First impression matters. The way you present yourself the first time that someone is meeting you determines if this person would like to meet you again. So you want to leave a good first impression on the first date. When you're trying to meet this person, you want to leave a good first impression. And your impression is going to be judged based on your personal hygiene, the way you look, and the way you talk. The way you look comprises of how you dress, how you carry yourself. So you don't want to be that guy with the smelling breath, or you don't want to be that guy with the smelling armpits. Like a girl is meeting you for the first time and you have a bad breath and a smelling armpit. You don't want to be that guy. So you want to make sure your personal hygiene is top notch. You want to make sure your personal hygiene is top notch. And you're looking good, your dressing game is good, you're dressing okay. What this first impression does is that when she gets home that day, she'll start thinking about you, like she'll start mesmerizing about you if you leave a good first impression. It's the first impression of you that she'll have in her mental mind whenever she's thinking about you. So if you leave a good first impression, she'll constantly think about you, thereby making this person obsessed with you. But whenever you leave a bad impression on the first date, you go to that place and you're meeting this person for the first time and you're acting all loud, you're acting all like as if you're just coming back from the main market, on the main market, as if you walk as you're one of the like touts there. Unless perhaps the girl is a tout or something of that sort, then she can go well with you. What I want you to do is to observe the person that you're going out with for the first time. You don't want to go there and start acting like something else. If she's the kind of person that has all these ras girls, then maybe you guys can vibe. But if she's not that kind of girl, and you see this person is a responsible girl, and you don't want to go there and start acting like a man from like one of the touts in the main market, you don't want to do that, because definitely when she gets back home, she will just her friends that this guy, no, it's a no. You want to compose yourself, you want to dress good, you want to have a good personal hygiene. That is very, very important, because first impression, like we say, truly matters. Number 2, be financially stable. Yeah, you need money. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Yeah, you need money, but don't allow anybody to like tell you otherwise. You need money. Yeah, you need to be financially stable for a girl to like think about you. I don't mean that you place your bank balance on your head and start walking up and down. No, you don't have to do that. Most girls like smell a guy that is financially stable from miles away. Like you cannot believe that. And the kind of confidence a man that is financially stable and the confidence of a man that is not financially stable is not the same. So it's a kind of aura that a man financially stable has. A man not financially stable doesn't have that aura, doesn't have that confidence. So most girls can really sight a man that is financially stable from miles away. You don't have to fake it. But I'm not trying to pressure anyone here. Being financially stable means that you have something that you're going out to do every day. Like you have a job, you have a business, you have something that you wake up to every morning and say, okay, yes, this is my job. You have a source of income. Yeah, you don't have to have $1 million, you don't have to have $1 billion in your bank account. I'm not trying to pressurize anyone into anything. As long as you have something doing, yes, you're financially stable. As long as you can pay your bills, you don't have to borrow from someone to feed. Yeah, you're financially stable. Being successful means different things to different people from different levels. I hope you guys understand that. Everyone have their definition of success. As long as you have something doing, you're a successful man at your own level. The only thing is that you keep improving every day to keep on being better. You keep on competing with yourself of yesterday to become better. So if you're the kind of guy that you sit down every day at home with lack of goals, lack of ambition, sorry to break it to you, no girl will actually think about you. No girl will actually be obsessed with you. You need money, so don't allow anybody to deceive you or allow anybody to tell you otherwise. Number 3, create an emotional connection. And how do you create an emotional connection? You're going to look for a thing that is of interest to both of you. Like if it's some girls like gymming, some girls like gaming, some girls like traveling. Look for a topic of interest to both of you. That's how you create an emotional connection. Most of you guys are so lazy. You just want to just hit and run. You're just tired or lazy. You understand. But for you to make a girl obsessed with you, you have to look for that emotional connection. The emotional connection has to be there. If she's not emotionally connected to you, she can stay days without talking to you and she will not like feel anything. But if she's emotionally connected to you, like she's obsessed with you, like that emotional connection is there. Even if you don't call this person for a day, this person is like, yeah, she's going to be, her body will be like biting her. She'll be feeling like, yeah, there's something that is missing. She'll start feeling very uneasy. She'll start feeling like there's something that is missing. But when the emotional connection is not there, even if you like don't call the person for a week, she doesn't even care because she's not emotionally connected to you. And even if you try to call, she might not want to take your calls because she doesn't like you. So you have to have that emotional connection, and that emotional connection is built by knowing this person's interest. Look for something that interests both of you, and with that you can build an emotional connection. Number 4, leave her wanting more. You don't want to go on a date with this person, or you're just meeting this person for the first time and you've told the person everything about you. You have to leave her wanting more. You want to leave that air of mystery, because when you leave that air of mystery, she'll want more, thereby making her attracted to you more. But whenever you go there on the first time and you've told this person everything about you, you've told this person how many acres of land you have, you've told this person how much is in your bank account, you've told this person every single thing about you, the air of mystery will not be there. And about mystery, we are going to talk about that later in the video. Number 5, make yourself scarce. Yeah, most times when something is scarce, the value of that thing automatically goes up. Yeah, you don't want to be that person that's always in her face. And this advice is for people that are still in the talking stage. I'm not talking about people that are already in relationships. That, yeah, don't say because I said that you should make yourself scarce, thereby you go for a week without talking to your girlfriend. Sorry, she will get herself another boyfriend. So I never advise you to do that. I'm talking about people that are still in the talking stage. You want to make yourself scarce. You don't want to always be in this person's face. You don't want to be her Uber guy. You don't want to be that guy that she'll call, oh, I'm at school, please come and pick me, and you're always there. I'm not saying you should not do it once in a while, but give yourself, like, make yourself scarce. So at the back of her mind, she'll know that this guy has something going on in his life. Yeah, for him to give me that time, for him to give me that attention, he truly loves me. He truly like value me. Not that every time you're in this person's face, you leave your work and you're always in this person's face. It doesn't create that value if you're always there. But whenever you make yourself scarce, sometimes she'll call you and you say, can I call you back? I'm busy at work. She'll be like, oh, this guy is busy at work. And she know that this guy is a very busy guy. And you see, whenever you call this person, even though it's for 10 minutes, this person will value this time so much, because she knows that, yeah, it was not really easy for you to squeeze that time in your busy schedule to call her. But whenever you're always at this person's face, you leave whatever you're supposed to do and you're always on this person's face, she doesn't like really speak good about you. If you want to make a girl obsessed with you, that's not the way to go. You want to create that scarcity. Yeah, even sometimes maybe you might not be busy, but at least just fake it sometimes. Yeah. Number 6, build up mystery. Talk about mystery earlier on in this video. Yes, you want to build up that mystery there. You want to, like, there's some things that you should keep to yourself that you expose later on in the relationship. As time goes on, you tell this person about these things. Even there are sometimes I can be talking to her, you say, okay, don't worry, it's not yet time for you to know this. As time goes on, I'm going to tell you this. That's how to build up mystery. You want to build up this mystery with this person by giving out information bit by bit. Number 7, don't be too predictable. Don't allow her to predict you at every single instance. Sometimes you can say no to her. Learn to say no. Not every time yes. Learn to say no. When things are not convenient for you, learn to say no. So don't be that guy that is too predictable. I'm not in any way trying to say that you should not give gifts to a girl that you like. Yeah, I'm not trying to say that, but don't be too predictable. Sometimes you can just like, sometimes you can say yes, sometimes you can say no. You're trying to make this person obsessed with you, so you don't want to be too predictable. So that mystery is going to be there. Most women love mysterious men. Seriously, most women love mysterious men. They want to give their mind something to work on. Make her learn something new about you every day. Don't be that guy that you just meeting this person and tell this person, I have this, I have that, this. She can ask you where you work and you just say, I'm just a digital marketer. That's an example. And tomorrow she sees that this guy is the owner of an agency. Do you know how it's going to bust her brain? When you don't make yourself predictable, people will respect you more when they see what you have. You don't have to go and start boasting about everything that you have. Make it a surprise, and thereby to make this girl obsessed with you more. We've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to be part of our growing community. I love you guys all, and see you in my next video. Cheers.